Last week, several traders were left devastated after floods destroyed property worth millions of shillings following heavy rains. This situation was largely blamed on the ongoing construction of the Nakivubo drainage channel. On Tuesday, Prime Minister Robin Nabanja visited the area and made some observations.
According to the engineers, we have also seen that the caravat crossings that are supposed to carry water to the drainage channel are limited. From the other side up to here, there is only one caravat. And so, I think water was running on the surface.
Some of the engineers who accompanied her noted issues that could have exacerbated the problem.
There's a lot of sand and stone already in the channel. That needs to be well managed. Then there are issues of course, the channel itself. It's narrow. It was not, now we have said that it was widened. But we've also seen that from up there, when you come to this second bay, the height has reduced.
We have already communicated to the developer and raised a number of technical issues. And even cases here, we have constituted ourselves into a technical committee, with a number of engineers. And we hope that going forward, we shall be able to engage the developer so that we ensure that as the channel is being developed, that all the stormwater which has been, for example, in this catchment is well evacuated away from this place so that we don't have these floods anymore.
The Engineers Registration Board says that before the incident, it had already raised some technical issues with KCCA, as its registrar, Engineer Ronald Namugera, explains.
After we don't know about the design of the channel, we wrote a letter to KCCA, also asking about the same, wondering, is there design, what are the design considerations? We also want to know the engineers who are on the project and the consultants, and maybe the contractor and the supervising consultant. So all these can help us to know exactly what is going on at the channel. So we don't know the engineers up to now.
He shares some of the considerations during the design process.
So when we are designing, we don't design for today. We design maybe for 50 years or for 100 years. So we look at the return period, we look at the sizing, when we do the flood modeling, we look at the capacity of the drainage channel.
Beyond that, the issue of silt management is also critical at the design stage.
Now imagine such a channel is blocked somewhere along. That means all the runoff is going to wash away roads, wash away buildings, because the water has nowhere to go. So when we are designing, we need to have those areas where we can design for the silt to go and settle. So if the silt is designed in such a way that it settles in designated areas, it is easier for the city council to go to exactly those areas and desilt.
While President Museveni directed the Prime Minister to approve businessman Hamis Chigundu's plan to redevelop the Nakivubo channel and support him in its implementation, the engineering body says this should follow the laws.
You know who signs all the laws of Uganda? It's the president. So when he gives a directive, he's saying, work on my directive within the law. Otherwise, if we are working on them anyhow, you'll see a lot of chaos in the country.
Namugera also warns against any attempt to deviate from the agreed design, cautioning that this could result in more problems.
This was a small rain, but you see what it did. So there are normally many risks when you change the design from what was approved. Because when they approve a design, it means they have looked at so many issues so that we are safe as a country and our people don't get any catastrophes.
With the Nakivubo drainage channel under intense strain due to rapid urbanization, poor waste management and siltation, we can only hope that any possible errors and omissions can be corrected before it is too late. I'm Benjamin Jumbe, NTV Tonight.